wanna come over tonight. Yeah, you wanna make up and make it right. When everybody's looking for something else they can do, we try to make it work this time.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Come on, join me on a night road trip to Taguig.
Let's make it matter, cause we will never ever come down. It looks like we made it. If your heart should break on the map of my mistakes, I'm here if you need me. Just keep on believing. If the sky should fall, I'll give you shelter through it all. You better believe it. I'm here if you need me, cause it's waiting there for you. We have to be bolder tonight. Yeah, we have to turn darkness into light. When everything we have done comes around, comes undone, we try to make it right this time. We just gotta make up our minds. Let's make it matter, cause we will never ever slow down. This time we will make it. If your heart should break on the map of my mistakes, I'm here if you need me. Just keep on believing. If the sky should fall, I'll give you shelter through it all. You better believe it. I'm here if you need me, cause it's waiting there for you. I'm waiting there for you.
While driving along McKinley Road, we passed this famous here in Taguig, the Venice Canal Mall. And we did arrive at the place. When we got inside, I was amazed by the Venetian-inspired buildings at the site. It's a mini replica of Venice Canal. The structure is almost like Italy's original. This is the main centerpiece here.
매일 보고 싶어 함께 있는 순간들도 So hold me tight.
You can get on a traditional gondola ride, paddled by a boatman with Italian opera music filling the air while rowing along the bridge, which is maybe a 10-minute ride from end to end for 500 pesos each. But unfortunately, we didn't catch the last ride. So yeah, we just walked around the place, shopped, and had dinner. The mall inside has its own food hall, lots of dining options from budget-friendly fast food to Italian restaurant.
운명이라 믿어요. 오랜 친구야.
At the ground area of the mall, different flavors of street food from various countries are served that you really can't stop yourself from tasting them all.
묘한 감정들이 자라기 시작했죠. You feel so right. I'll be your night. 시작인 걸.
I suggest to go to this place from 5:30 p.m. onwards. The place is more realistic and to better experience the uniqueness of the place.
아름다운 그대여. I just feel so lucky.
worth a visit. It's a nice place to go when you get to BGC. A good hangout for young and oldest. Ambience was like you're in Venice, Italy. You can't help but feel this replica is one amazing attraction. The only drawback was that we visited this place unplanned, but we will definitely come back to this place again soon. See you again, guys.